There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey, it's your girl A. Happy New Year, everyone. Let's start off the new year with this nice wig from UNICE. So this is one of their newer units, as you guys see, straight out the box with nothing done. It comes with fingernails, elastic band, a cap, some tape, and some extra combs in case you lose the ones that are already in the cap, girl. Okay. Now, this is one of their newer caps. This is a pre-everything unit. And as you guys see, it has removable combs on the sides as well as in the nape. It also has removable comb and the adjustable elastic band, some straps, an adjustable strap. And the fun thing about it is it also has a drawstring. I'm loving these new units that they're coming out with all of these new drawstrings. This will definitely allow your wig to sit flush.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you.
So let's talk about the new year. It's 2025. These wigs are making our lives so much easier, and I'm definitely here for it. Now, as you know, this is a unit where you can part throughout the entire front. It doesn't cover your entire hairline, such as a 13x4, but I'm pretty sure this 7x5, I do believe it's a 7x5. I'll definitely link it below. But as you guys see, I'm just going to tweeze some of the hairs out. I got this straight out the box. I didn't do anything to this unit, but take it out the box. And I just want to thin the hairline just a little bit so it can look more natural for my liking. Now, this unit does fit really nice because the drawstring is very, very much more comfortable than I thought it would be. I love the way it feels at the nape of my neck. I also love the way it fits. The fitting is perfect. I do like the removable combs. Especially, I like the fact that these wigs, you are allowed to do nothing but put them on and leave. And it's about time we get these type of wigs because, girl, I remember back in the day, not too long ago, we had to do all of this by hand. And I'm going to be honest and say these new pre-everything units definitely will spoil a person. So when I do get units that I have to bleach or pre-pluck, I feel like it's a foreign object. Like, what do you want me to do? So this one came already done for you. Not much work needed at all. The yaki texture hair is amazing. You guys know UNICE Hair has some really, really great quality units. I love their units. They're very affordable, and I do believe I've been down with UNICE since they came out. Girl, let me tell you, they have evolved a whole lot since they have came out. Now, as you guys see, I'm going to use my hot comb just to allow my hairline to just sit flatter, flush to my hair, and just make it look a lot more neater. Now, because these are pre-everything wig and the laces are already cut, I just take the elastic band and I put it down a little bit further so that way I don't burn my own skin. Because, girl, don't nobody want to be walking around with 2025 burns, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation stick just to make sure that the lace is more close to my own natural scalp. This hair texture is really nice. I do love yaki hair the most. It's very natural looking. You can definitely curl this unit if you choose to. Now these steps are optional, but I'm just trying to make sure that I create a very natural looking unit. So I do like to use my foam, my styling foam, just to brush the hairs and give them more or less a natural look. I don't like the hairs to look so blunt across my hairline. Now this is what it looks straight. This will definitely take to some heat and curl. UNICE Hair has some really great affordable wigs. Definitely want to check out their website, and you can also check them out on Amazon as well. This hair is very nice and very natural and easy to wear on an everyday basis. A few days later, I decided I wanted to see how it looked with some curls, so I did go ahead and put a little bit of curl in the unit. I had to pull some of my own natural hair out lower towards my ear because, as you guys know, this is not a 13x4, so I did need to use some of my own natural hairlines just to camouflage the front of the wig and give myself a full hairstyle. But the unit takes well to curls. I like this. I will leave everything down below for you guys. Let me know what you think. Hope you guys have an amazing 2025. I'll leave all of the information down below for UNICE Hair. Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you all for watching this video. Stay blessed, stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.